Smoke alarms should be replaced every 10 years. Here's why. In a controlled test, a 2016 smoke alarm sounded in 43 seconds. The center camera, protected by the blue plastic, gives a close-up of each alarm. With the old alarm, our firefighter actually had to add material to the fire to produce more smoke to set it off. The old smoke alarm from 2000 responded in 2 minutes and 6 seconds. In a real fire, seconds count. Your family needs as much advance warning as possible to help ensure a safe escape. Check the date of your smoke alarms today and replace any more than 10 years old. Go to safeathome.ca for more safety tips.